Hi, I'm Amber Kylick with Critical Movement Coaching. So one of the props that I use a lot in my videos is a felt pad. Now, felt pads themselves are quite handy. And if you do want to get yourself one, go to Critical Alignment Yoga Therapy Props and they have them there. Okay, so you can pick up your black strip and felt pad. However, if you don't have a felt pad or you're waiting for it in the mail, you can use towels. Now, they're not perfect, but they're pretty good in a pinch. Use them a lot throughout the pandemic and online classes. So try and get a couple of thin towels. Plush towels, they still kind of work, but they're a little bit too soft. You want something that's going to replicate the hardness, the support of a felt pad. So I have these two IKEA towels, okay? And what I do is fold them into thirds. Okay, so I've got this one gray towel. I'm going to fold it into my thirds. Now, with this, there's a bunch of different things you can do. If you're just needing a single black strip, you can take one of the towels and roll it up long edge to long edge. Okay, and then you have a pretty good replica of a single black strip. Now, if you want a double black strip, you can take the two towels, stack them, okay, and then roll them long edge to long edge. Now this is the tricky part because with that double black strip exercise, when you roll this, your brain's going to want to think that you're sitting off the end of it and your spine supported. You actually want this edge to be lined up in about the same spot that double strip would be, okay? So that's like just lower mid-thoracic spine. Okay, so this would be a good replica of a double strip. It's also a good replica of a thin roll felt pad. Okay, so you've got your two towels rolled up. This is similar to a thin roll felt pad. Now, if you want a thick roll felt pad, you would roll short edge to short edge. Okay, and all of these things you can move around and adjust how they feel for you. Okay, so if you do roll this up, this is similar, not perfect because it is a bit smaller, a little bit softer than the thick roll with the felt pad. Now, if two is too much, you can also roll one up and then you've got, again, similar to a thin roll on a felt pad here. Okay, now if all that lingo is like, I don't know what that means, watch the videos and you'll see how I roll up the felt pad in different exercises. And you can rearrange these towels to help fit in for you. Again, the felt pad is the best thing because you can do so many things with a felt pad, but in a pinch, these towels work out quite well. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel and I will see you next time.